Busanfo, welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification. And then,
oh, Lester, I'm sure they may back Obi,
oh,
Obi, we do Leicester Hospital. Obi, you're from community.
Oh,
from community. Why? I don't know how to describe it. I'll be speaking about Ernest in the past tense. And coming in.
Asempa FM.
Terrible. I'm playing a press conference on the energy sector.
yes.
And it's an officer and a journalist back or cover the press conference and say, Honorable, can you confirm this news to us? I'm saying confirm it again. No, say Ernest Akabebi. And I'm saying, when I'm saying, Master, I knew where you're saying, go. So if you are just joking, let me talk. Also, they're honorable. The so the first person I called was Adjei. When you say, Adjei, MSD.
Yes.
Your baby, it's not every evening, and it is consistent. Every evening, I will jolo. The friend Eric, you know, of picky and on that, the Cassam Nenamid. And I'm Busan also our Lester. I'm sure they may back. Obi.
Oh,
Obi. We do Leicester Hospital. Obi, you're from community.
oh,
From community. Why? I don't know how to describe it. For my whole life, I've not seen a lifeless body as fresh as this before. In my whole life. And we bury a damn honor. Obi. Eddie.
ah,
Eddie. And I don't know. Eric there, and you made us say and he's devastated. There was some agency almost everybody is calling. It's a terrible news, Obi. Terrible news. Young man at his age, achieved a lot for himself. Obi Eddie.
oh, already young couple.
Now, you know, the sad part is like she before the bar and to convey the body. You know, Obi. It depends on Obi.
Asempa FM.
In times like this, you just have to reflect. You know, what time will be when the kasa. Sani when you Obi. First will be honest.
Oh,
it's difficult. And the wife, very young woman. Everybody is thinking how the lady is going to survive. It's going to be very, very difficult. We'll be hearing a lot of support from all of us.
oh,
Yeah, Obi. In fact, at a point in time, whilst I'm not many leadership so aiding come, and I think he kept asking me, "When body no, we're sure." You know, he just couldn't believe what I was saying. You know, don't call and say, Collins, when body no, we're sure. You know, and everybody's still in self-denial. You know, it's terrible. It's terrible.
honorable. I mean, this is crazy. This is crazy.
And you know, Obi, you know your click, no?
Yes.
You know the click.
Yes.
I don't know how this evening you bet Makotna a base Jolu. He's an integral part. In fact, I know they watch him. You know, he will always insist. Say, honorable men, I'm not watching.
Watching also a year the way your friend is saying. Baako omudi kubi angwa eyi. The favorite.
Reggie
Diana na baako bi wa ha.
Baako si wo yes.
Sister so say debe no adabraka adabraka.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And he always insists so he has to pay for it. Now, everybody there it's this is a very difficult moment. Me personally, I don't know how things are going to pan out for me, especially a transfer. It'll be difficult.
Honorable, my fancy, Emma, Yahunyina Yako. Why?
That's a power.
That's it. Ekosi sense na higher sempa FM nti we but unim messages bebre na aba nti mo wa han de na akwesinsia afa he a akwesinsia na wo ntimi na ndese me de osanka me sorry ekoda
I want to bu untumi nkasa me ya ka 12 o'clock news obi send me message no ka me ya akona me se mo de mo pa utobo enti Kumi ya nso ne enkohwehwem se na enokure se na enokure na obi ade ba kwa mesre ne se efa ya nkasa ye hu minim se ye nya nhwehwemu entimi en conclude se we ya na se we kane nanka wunya ye free be 50 or 45 years obi a check your pressure ye we but the way things are going you know
he said there was such a check
a free be 30 kono
every quarter
because of nuane a ye di pressure wo ye sunti no
pressure no ni nuane ne spices e wo nuane nim ne a lot of
88 regrettably -1 to pray with the indulgence of the leader of the house that today's proceedings be terminated as we observe a minute of silence in his honor. The Speaker, it's a very sad day. Sad day to a family, to a constituency, to democracy, to parliament, and to the people of Ghana. We know not when any of us may receive a summons. Colleagues, let's take heart and continue with our service to Mother Ghana. Mr. Speaker, I appreciate